Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is my next nail in my green nails series, and for this one I added Madam Glam Shake Your Grass. It's a cute name, and it's a shimmer green, and that's how it looks. But what I did was I added a matte top coat to it because I had something in mind, but now I'm thinking about doing something else. See, this was a gel polish, but I want to add some of this beautiful mix that I made, and let me just pan out so you guys can see it. And I'm calling this Sour Apple, and it's just so beautiful. I love it. Okay, let me close up so you guys can see how pretty that is. So I'm going to add some of this glitter mix to that nail, and you guys know when you add glitter, especially chunky glitter, to a gel nail, it is lumpy and bumpy. So I'm going to encapsulate it in rubber gel so that it will not be bumpy or lumpy. It'll be nice and smooth. And I bought this rubber gel on eBay. First thing I'm going to do is grab some of that rubber gel, and this is the base coat. And I'm going to grab some of this base, and I am going to put it on that nail. And I'm not going to cure that yet. I'm going to take the glitter mix that I made, and I am going to dip into that, and I'm going to put that right in over the that gel before I cure this. Isn't that beautiful? I love that mix. It's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to cure this. Then I am going to add the top coat, and then the top coat is also a rubber top coat. So that is going to encapsulate the glitter really well, and it'll be nice and smooth. Alright, so I'll be back once I've done both of those. Okay, I'm back, and here it is. It's been top coated with the rubber gel, and as you can see, it's really smooth, and I was able to encapsulate my beautiful glitter mix. So I'm going to do the same thing with one of my light green nails, and come back and show you how they look side by side. I'm going to do that, the same thing. I'm going to apply some of my glitter mix to the light nail, and I will come back and show you how it looks next to the dark one. Here they are side by side, and that is how it looks. How my glitter mix looks on the light nail, and here it is on the dark nail, and they're both encapsulated in rubber gel. I love working with the rubber gel because not only can you encapsulate the glitter, but there's a lot of things you can do with it, and they can be a little pricey, but I got these I got the set on eBay. If I remember, I will add the link, so I will try to attach that link so you guys can pick some of that up. It wasn't very expensive for that particular brand, and look how shiny that is. really, really shiny. I love it. Love it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to click on the bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Take care everyone, God bless. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.